Hello and welcome to a quick video explaining about the types of breakfast. In this video lesson, we'll be discussing about cafe complete and thé complete, cafe sample and thé sample, continental breakfast and full breakfast. Now all these breakfasts are originating from the European continent. And when we talk about European cuisine, we are basically talking about the cuisine of France. And the influence of the French cuisine is also seen in the neighboring countries such as Italy, Spain, Germany. However, when we say continental preparation, primarily we are talking about the style of France. Now let us look at the details of each type of breakfast. The first category of breakfast that we are looking at is called as cafe complete or thé complete. Here, cafe means coffee and thé means tea and complete means complete. Hence, this is a breakfast meal which is complete with meal served along with a coffee or a tea. So as you can see in the picture, there is toast, salad, cheese, boiled beans, egg preparation, sausages, 2 varieties and ham, along with a coffee. Next category of breakfast is called as cafe sample or thé sample. Here sample means simple. So as the name suggests, there is no meal served along with this. It is purely either coffee or tea simply served. Hence the name cafe sample or thé sample. Now let us look at the details of continental breakfast. The traditional continental breakfast consisted of hot croissants, hot brioche, toast, butter, preserves, that is jams and marmalade, and coffee as the beverage. But over the period of time, they have added more courses into the continental breakfast. Hence, the modern continental breakfast will consist of cereals, fruits, juices, yogurt, ham, cheese, assorted bread items, and wide selection of beverages. Finally, the last category of breakfast that we are discussing in this video is full breakfast. The full breakfast will consist of at least 2 courses and up to 8 courses. The breakfast meal will include a main course. Traditionally, it is known as English breakfast. Now, it is also known as Scottish breakfast, Irish breakfast, Welsh breakfast, British breakfast. Now let us look at the courses. The courses can be chosen from either juices, fresh and stewed fruits, cereals, yogurt, fish, eggs, meat, potato and vegetables, pancakes and waffles, cold buffet, bread items, preserves, and selection of beverages. The beverages, apart from tea and coffee, tisanes, hot chocolate, milk, and all can be considered as beverage for a breakfast meal.